Hello YouTube, welcome to my slightly messy van. I got another quick video here on finger savers. If you want to know exactly what finger savers are, check out video 608 on my channel, and I'll put a link in the top right corner so you can navigate to it and check out if you need some more details on it. Just quickly what they are is these plastic add-ons to the Lishi tools that make the tools a little more comfortable to hang on to. And also there's 11 different colors, which helps you keep organized. The way I've got mine set up, and I don't have all 11 colors yet, but basically I've got all of my Fords are green, all of my GM are blue, Nissan is black, Toyota I've got as orange, white are European cars, and red I've got Honda. I've got Honda cars down there, and then there's our Honda motorcycles. And kind of cool, I'm looking for a Nissan Lishi. You know, okay, I've got two black ones there, then also down here there's another black one, so I know, okay, that's a Nissan. And then right now I've got my, these are all Hyundai and Kia Lishis, and I don't have any finger savers on those yet. And then up here we've got some Mitsubishi and then a lot of motorcycles. So I went ahead and went to keyinnovations.com. It's the only place you can get these at. And I'll put a link in the description so you can navigate there too if you want to check them out on keyinnovations.com. And I got three more colors here. I got some pink, some brown, and some yellow. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and put those on my Hyundais and Kia Lishis, and I think also on my Yamaha Lishis. And I get some more colors here, we'll add on more. So go ahead and show you guys how they go on here. And on my board here, I've got two dedicated Kia Lishis. I've got the Kia 2018 and Kia K5. So I'm going to go ahead and just make those brown. And the way they go on, I'm going to pull the Lishi off here. And on the finger saver, it's got a tiny little notch. And it just slides right on the tension arm. It has a nice little satisfying click, kind of locks it on there, like so. And here a little nice little click, and it's on there. Now I'm going to take my Kia K5 Lishi, and I'll see if I can put the microphone right here, so hopefully you can actually hear the click. And here, click on there so you know it's on there. And then I've got 7 or 8 Hyundai Lishis here. Hyundai is from here down, and then a couple of random ones over on the right. So I'll go ahead and zoom out real quick here and do that. And Hyundai, we're going to go with nice pink here, so they're going to stand out and be able to tell which ones my Hyundais are. And you can really start to see, you know, how much they stand out with the actual colors on there compared to when there's not one on there. So not only are they comfortable to hang on to when you're actually using a Lishi, it kind of saves it from digging into your finger. It also really does help you keep organized, you know, especially if you're one of the guys that's got a toolbox, you know, with all your Lishis in it. This is pretty amazing. And then I've got some Hyundai Lishis snuck over here too. Got an HY7R, and I think that's the last Hyundai one that I've got on my board here. And very cool here. So if I happen to be looking for that one, I know pink is going to be Hyundai, so I know I'm only looking for the pink ones, which is very cool. And now I'll go ahead and zoom in at the top here. Got some Yamaha Lishis way up top here. 1, 2, 3. These are all Yamaha. And we're going to go with some nice yellow on the Yamaha ones. And I'm probably going to get some purple or something to do my Kawasaki's very soon here. So same thing on the motorcycles. These little picks here. So there's one on my YH35R pick. We got YH35. And once again, guys, Key Innovations is where to check these out at. Links in the description. YH65. There we go. All right, so show you one more time here. I know I keep kind of running this into the ground, but just to show you just how nice and organized this actually keeps your Lishi tools here. You know, we got yellow, we know, our Yamaha, got red or Honda, orange or Toyota, pink, you know, Hyundai, brown Kia, black Nissan, blue GM, green Ford, and of course you can color code yours however you want. But just wanted to make a video showing that stuff. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.